Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a square on CapCut PC. Go to text and add in like a space, I guess, and create a square. You can kind of adjust it here. You can even like scale it into a square, or turn off uniform scale and just adjust the height and the width. Scroll down and then you're going to go to background, and then you're going to select the color that you want for the square. And that's pretty much how you can create a square or rectangle in CapCut PC. Super simple. You can choose the colors here as well. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.